To go, sige na.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, great grandma.
Happy birthday, great grandma.
Happy birthday, great grandma. I love you.
Miss you.
Thank you sa toys.
Kiss. Smile.
Birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Oh, na-miss ka na ni Dominic, na-miss ka na namin. Thank you sa, pagiging mabait sa amin. Tsaka, na-miss ka na talaga ni Dominic. Palagi siyang, nagtatanong tungkol sa'yo. Halika dito, Dom.
Sinan ko.
Halika. Kasi mag-school na daw si Dominic, Lola. Marunong na siyang mag-counting, tsaka mag-alphabet.
C, D, E, F, G.
Counting na kasi tapos ka na eh. Oh. Kasi papanood yan ni Lola. Ay, ni Great Grandma. Sige na. Happy birthday, Great Grandma.
Tapos, ano sabi great?
Hindi yung sasagot si Lola. Kasi si Great Grandma nasa Amerika. Sige na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Birthday. We miss you.
Happy birthday! Siguro marami ka na mga bisita.
Sana ay...
Sana ano ka pa lang, maraming birthday kapag darating. Oh. We miss you and we love you.
Sige na.
Oh, we miss you and we love you.
Ano pa?
Budi, ikaw naman di.
Go.
Oh, go na.
Oo.
Yaibel, ning happy birthday. Sana sa darating December uwi kayo kasama ni Papa para masaya naman tayo. Ning Yaibel, happy birthday, happy birthday. Sana makaabot ka ng 100 years para masaya tayo. Happy birthday, Yaibel. God bless you.
Ay.
Lola, happy birthday! Ito si Tuto ang kuling mo. Love, happy 90th birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless you always. God bless and we wish you.
Sige na, message na kasi.
The best Lola in the world, and thank you for all the blessings, and thank you for ka namin. Dali na! Dali na! Lola, love you. Dali na! Ay, umbot ah. Oh, yun lang dyan. Dali na.
Congratulations! Talagang wala na akong masasabi sa iyo, Nay, sa tanan nga sakripisyo mo sa amon. Very deserving ka talaga, Nay. And happy 90th birthday, Nanay. I hope to see you soon sa December. Another birthday. Bongga yan, Nay, ha, pagdating mo. Nako. Kasi marami rin nag-aabang sa imo dire. Sa tanan nga nagmamahal, nagapalangga sa imo, nga taga-kwartiro, taga-haniway, taga-pututan. Nay, happy birthday. 90th birthday. I love you. I love you very much, Nanay.
Nanay, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nanay! Anong handa mo? Padalan mo kami dito. Si Mario.
Sa internet na rin naman nila.
Sige na, Marie. Dito.
Ibiyan kay Tunyo, ikaw
Oh, Nanay, si Tony, happy birthday! Sabi ni Tony, happy birthday at saka mag-iingat ka daw at saka pinagdadasal ka niya na humaba pa, maging 100 years. Nanay, kailan ka daw uwi? Pag uwi daw nila, umuwi ka din. Sa Disyembre.
Para masaya.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Another birthday ka.
Ay, tapos na.
Happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin nung bata pa kami. May you live longer and take care of yourself. Happy birthday.
In behalf of the whole family, sa family ni Diding, Akon, kay Manay, kay Tuto, kay Nunoy, kay Inday Estrella ng mga kabataan, we would like you to greet a happy birthday and wishing you abundance of blessings, joy, peace, happiness, love, and good health all throughout. We are thankful for this privilege to greet you even we are miles away from you. We would like you to know that you are God's gift to every one of us since you are the living and the only sister of Mama, and since the time she left us. Perhaps you cannot feel how important you are to us since you are far away from all of us here in the Philippines, but gusto namin ipabalo nga you do not even miss from our heart and mind, especially during bedtime, because we are praying for your safety, good health, and longer life. Gusto namin, subong, na ihambal ang tanan so that you will know kung ano ang mga nafe-feel namin because kahit malayo ka, we always see to it na we have some news from you that you are always be in your good health. May you live longer for all of us, because we are all nothing if our sweet, pretty, and social nga auntie is not with us anymore. Alam namin na lahat ng itinuro nyo kag ni Mama, lahat ng wisdom tungkol sa religion serves as the best gift for all of us and the best example of how we are now. You instilled in us the importance of praying, believing, trusting, and faith with the Lord. I know you have been praying for all of us too, and it's always been our pride and honor to have the only sister of Mama. Kay ti way manamon na abutan ang iba ninyo nga mga sisters. Lastly, we are looking forward to be with you again one of these days, and let's celebrate again here kahit gamay lang nga party, and of course you have to wear your gown.
Nice. Happy birthday. First of all, I thank and praise the Lord for your gift of life, for your 90 fruitful years of existence, but most of all, for giving us the best mother in the whole world. Thank you very much for everything, and we love you very dearly. Happy birthday also to Kuya Boy.
I love you, Lola. More birthdays to come. Tingin ka sa camera. Sana po, may regalo ka na kayo pagkatating mo dito.
Grabe.
Pero makapunta kayo sa Davao para kita mo si Mama pati akong pasyal tayo, Lola. Wish. Tapos, sana po makaabot pa kayo ng 100 years old po. So, padala din po kayo dito ng prayers. Happy birthday po. I love you.